Hello everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of our hotel ERP series. Yesterday, we set up the complete system. Today, we will configure the core of the business, rooms, services, and restaurant items. For room setup, in sales, products, rooms are already created as service products. Each room has pricing per night and directly records revenue when booked. Next, services like laundry, room service, and extra bed. These are optional add-ons for customers. And next, food items like biryani, tea, and snacks are set as consumable products linked to inventory. All products are grouped into rooms, food, and services for better tracking and reporting. This is categories. Now I will move to Dear ERP and give a perfect prompt to create complete product and service structure for hotel operations. So create a complete product and service structure for hotel operations. Number one is here rooms, service, products. Okay, so standard room, standard room, then the 2000 per night. And then here deluxe room 3500 per night. And then suite room, which costing here 6000 rupees per night. Then we will move for configuration process. Configurations. Product type. If you say to DearERP whatever is required in default pay, you have to do that one. It will configure accordingly, but it will not maintain the our criteria or our intention. So that's the reason we have to specify the things in the configuration as well. So product type is service, and then sales enable, and then here category, which is rooms. And then I'll move for the services as well. So in services there is laundry, as usually required this in hotels, and then room service, 200 rupees. Extra bed, which costing here 800 rupees. and then again configuration is required. So which type of configuration here? This is service type, and then here sales enable, and then category, which is services. Then I'll come to restaurant items. So consumable, which is few things we need to list out in this. Chicken biryani, which costing here 250 rupees, and then I am adding veg biryani, which is costing here 200 rupees, and then tea 20 rupees, and then coffee. As we get these menu or these type of items in hotel canteens. Snacks, which costing here 100 rupees. Then again configuration part is there, because whenever we are giving the services or items, we require the specification as well, what kind of the flexibility we are having in that. So that required this configuration. Consumable. So product type is consumable, and then inventory tracking enable, and then here category food additional setup. Create product categories. Okay, so in which I'm listing out rooms, and then here services, and then here food. Ensure pricing is set. This is like a global statement, and then need to ensure products are usable in sales and POS. Sales and point of sale. So what output look like here? Even we can mention, or we can avoid this thing also. Still I'm mentioning fully structured product catalog per hotel operations. This is the end of our prompt here. So if I read out, so what we have mentioned: rooms, services, and then restaurant items with additional steps with the all configurations, which making sure pricing should be set and products are usable in sales and point of sale. Output has to look like a fully structured product catalog for hotel operations. So I will give this prompt to dear ERP, then see how things will get executed accordingly. Let's wait for some time. Amazing friends, we got the response. So we requested on these things and we got the response: product catalog. So we will check each and everything step by step. For that, we have to move into the inventory. In inventory, we can get the product types, product categories, each and everything here. So I'm moving in an inventory. Then there is configuration. In configuration, there is product categories. So we can get the categories what we have requested: rooms, nice, and then hotel, services. This also we got, and then here food. This also we got, nice. When we check any category in detail, so we get to know this. Like this category has executed with the complete information here. Now I will move into the products. So now in products, in the search bar, I will type here standard room. Nice, standard room is there. Okay, even in the previous prompt it is actually created the some products also, so that's the reason we are getting some duplication in this, but no issues. It works. That also a execution process which we have already gone through in initial prompt. Now we are again adding some things which is relevant to that as well. So when I open any of these products, like just now executed this one, so you easily get to know the price, and product type is service, and category is rooms here, and then this can be cell because the cell tab is checked, and in the general information available in point of sale as well. Usually point of sale is won't add, but we have added it. Deluxe room. So same step we can follow for the deluxe room as well. So just like, and same for suite room. Now we will check service products as well. So I will move in the same inventory, products, and then I am typing here laundry. Nice, laundry also there. So there is service, and then sale price also added, category also added. If I'm doing everything is manually, how much time required to fix and execute all those things? But in a prompt it is doing in few seconds only. Nice. And we can set some same for the room service and extra bed as well. And now we'll move into the part 4, which is actually showing the categories. Just now we have gone through the categories as well. Still I'm showing that also here. So now friends, we will check about the category. For checking the category, we have to move into the products, as we are already in the products here, and then I have to tag the product category here. So if we tag the product type, so everything seems according to product type. Now I am clicking on the product category. So if you look here, nice, all the categories are listed down accordingly. So you see in food, there is 5 types of meals are available: chicken biryani, coffee, snacks, tea, and veg biryani, which is we have requested here. So when I'm clicking on any specific item, you see there are taxes also apply, and there are category and product type, everything is applied accordingly. So we have to check this one. And then last but not least here, part 6, which is actually indicating verify products are in point of sale. So for that, I have to move into the point of sale here. So point of sale is here, and then I have to move into the configuration, and then again in products. So we get to know the all POS product categories as well. So mess, desk, chairs, like this. So everything seems perfect and aligned to our requirement only. Now our hotel is fully ready to start selling rooms, food, and services. And tomorrow we will handle customers and booking flow. If you found the video useful and helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and don't forget to share with others, friends, and family. See you in the next one.